What you do is you take it out and you pop it into a player. CD. Naabutan nyo pa ba to? Yes! Cassette, naabutan nyo pa? Tandaan. Sorry. Oh! It's the ghost of Christmas past. Oh, wow, sign. Saan ako pipirma? Takpang ko yung iba. Joke. Joke lang. Joke lang. Isa lang yung tinakpang ko. Sa'yo pa rin ito? Ayaw niyo mag-share na lang? This album was released in 2003. Ano album to? Drum Machine. CD. Kay ano to? Kay Camille. Camille, alam mo na kung saan ka nakatira. Alam mo na rin yung number mo. It's all here.